Okay guys, we just got an invitation to a feast. We're gonna have some biryani from a local person. So they're breaking fast. I mean, Ramadan is over, so they're gonna eat a lot of food today and we're gonna be part of that. So really excited. Me and Madeline are gonna drive there on the boat. On the bike. I'm calling my bike a boat. So the location is in the front of Varkala, in the cliff front, so the touristic area, so that's where his hotel is. So he invited us for biryani and I'm really excited. So let's go, Madeline, and have some delicious food. Time to enter the premises now. Have some biryani with our friend Ali, and then we have Russian. So yeah, that's the biryani. Yeah, biryani. What's he making? What are you cooking, my friend? My surfing friend.
I'm cooking beef, bro, beef.
Oh my god, look at that.
Getting masalas ready.
That looks amazing, man, yeah? That stuff is steaming hot. Put that in your mouth. And try to put it in your mouth. Come on, eat it, come on. Like a beast. Hello, sir, how are you? Oh, good. Chilling, relaxing. You chilling out, yeah? Okay. This guy is a professional chef.
No, I'm just only spatula.
That was you that cooked this, yeah?
Nah,
you're just storing it, yeah?
No, I'm just helping. So we.
Looks good. All right, that's a lot of beef, man. That's a lot of beef. So beef biryani, yeah?
Yes.
Right, sounds fun. Okay, I'm really excited now, yeah? What's going on, Ali?
Yeah, fine.
You all right?
Yeah. Be careful, yeah. Just running.
How's it going? So this is where you were cooking on the rocks?
Yeah.
With some nice charcoal.
Nice.
Charcoal smell, charcoal taste.
Yeah, it's fine. It's great. Yeah.
What are you up to today?
So it's finished. Now, I'm just gonna go meet my family.
You going now or?
Yeah. A little bit. I have a little
after
bit.
lunch?
No, I'm just going. I'll come back.
All right. It's a tester, Ali, yeah?
Yeah.
Madeline, put this in your mouth. Come on, give it a go.
Too spicy.
Too spicy for you?
Yeah.
I think I can eat some, yeah.
Just like grab it like this.
Yeah.
My mouth's gonna burn, man.
Nice.
Ah. Oh my god.
Out.
Very chewy, yeah?
Okay.
Intense, yeah. What do you think?
It's good. Super.
Perfect, yeah. You did a good job, yeah?
Who was the chef?
Who's the chef, Ali?
I am the chef.
This guy's definitely not the
He's
chef.
just taking the credits, okay.
Okay, the food is mixed with the rice, okay? Nice, wow. Whoa. It's like in a... I'm still chewing on the beef. Top chef, yeah?
All the credits goes to
An
Ching.
explosion of food get mixed together.
Yeah.
Nice. So what's the leaf, my friend? What's the leaf, Ali?
I don't know the English name, bro.
That's for the...
That's for the flavour, the spices.
It's flavor.
Okay. Yeah, more rice. Lots of rice. Oh my god, three pots of rice.
For how many people is it?
How many people is this for, Ali?
20 people around.
20 people?
20 people? What?
We have 20 people? Big party here. How do you feel now after finishing Ramadan, Ali?
Yeah, I'm fine, super good,
Yeah.
Great, yeah.
Are you excited now that you can eat again?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited, yeah.
Nice. I don't know how Ramadan feels, so be interesting to try it out one day for a few days, maybe. You know, dying of starvation every day sounds like a good idea. And also dehydration. Oh, we have more spices. Right, we have fried onions, yeah.
Yeah.
And then what's this?
What? I don't know.
What's this orange thing?
This is carrot.
Carrots. Okay, fried carrots.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, you really represent the food, my friend. Good presentation.
Thank you.
Sprinkling the onions on like a pro.
Yeah.
Professional chef here. I think this guy should build a restaurant and, you know, make some nice food.
No man, I'm not that good.
Traditional way, you know. Made with love. I can see the love. All right, you have some dried fruits and then cashew nuts. Okay. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about, man. This biryani looks amazing. Oh my god, look at this. It's like a sweet shop on top. Wow. That's a big bowl, man. I could eat all that in one go, my friend.
Really?
Yeah, easy. No, not really. That's too much rice. And then we have some parsley or something, yeah?
It's coriander leaf.
Coriander.
Yeah.
Madeline's favourite.
Yeah.
Coriander. No, not really. Alright, he's pouring the dish, Mr. Ali. Oh my god. Look at this.
Oh yeah,
Nice
that's
beef,
perfect.
lots of rice.
Oh, look at
This
it.
looks so good.
Looks so good.
Looks so juicy and tender and tasty and just crispy and everything. Sweet. Bit of everything. All different flavours.
Yeah.
It's gonna be an explosion.
But
But then you have all the beef at the bottom, my friend.
Yeah, in between.
What do? You just like
Yeah.
scoop it around now.
Yeah.
But that's
Mix it up
perfect, so
for
I
you.
can have some without spice.
So we eat on the roof, but it's super hot today, so we're gonna eat in Ali's bedroom on the bed. So sounds more comfortable. We don't know what this guy has been up to in this bedroom, so you know we're a bit weary. Eat on the bed as well. Everything goes on in this bed, my friend. We eat. There's action. There's like
when you make it that looks like the typical biryani, you know.
typical biryani, yeah.
Like it
dum
makes it
biryani,
for
dum
me,
biryani.
because I can't eat spicy.
Oh my god. Oh,
Be careful.
it's hot. It's
Yeah.
Very hot.
Not too much.
We have a paper plate recyclable, yeah?
Yeah, recyclable, yeah.
Okay, he's trying to help the environment. Right, sir. Let's eat in your bed.
Oh, I'm very excited.
Everyone. Oh.
Very excited.
So yeah, it's a bit dark in this room, but it's gonna do the job. We're gonna have everybody on the bed here.
Which is
In a
gonna
circle.
fit in. And the whole thing is gonna be for 20 people, I think. A lot of people.
No, it's a portion for 20 people, but we don't have 20 people. I think we have like 10 people. I think there's more people coming, so we're gonna dig in first with some paparam crackers, I think. Only in India, it seems.
Oh, look, his smile.
Oh my god, you're smiling, my friend. You happy? In your nappy? Happy in your nappy? He's also finished Ramadan, no?
No.
Yeah.
You didn't.
You also do Ramadan, my friend? You do Ramadan?
No.
Nobody done.
Nobody does.
Oh my
We're
god.
just all celebrating with
We're all just celebrating with Ali. Ali did Ramadan, so at least we're celebrating for somebody. Rashan, what's this yogurt?
Yes, yogurt.
Yogurt mix.
Raita.
Right there. That's the name of this yogurt mix with onions and peppers and everything and a bit of
With chili.
This is cucumber onion raita,
cucumber, onion. Okay.
but
very
we
nice.
call it here as salad.
A salad.
Yeah,
Salad.
salad.
Why do you have such crazy difficult names for all the food dishes?
No, this is like the normal salad. What do you guys call
I'm
it?
joking.
It's an Indian salad, you know?
Okay, Indian salad.
Yeah,
Ah, right.
you guys call it this as raita, isn't it?
Let's call it a salad.
Salad.
Yeah, salad.
Salad.
A nice juicy salad.
Oh,
Yes, juicy
Let me
salad.
sit down there.
Okay, we got some
Some pepper.
Capernaum.
pepper now. Okay, pepper. You call it paparam. Paparam. There's a bit of a tang to it. Alright, I'm gonna use my hands, guys. I'm gonna join the gang here. The
Thank
party.
you, Shri, for your wonderful
Party.
biryani.
Party in the bed.
Don't mention, bro.
Thank you for
My
the
pleasure.
beautiful invitation again.
Eid
For the
Mubarak.
second day in a row.
Khair
We
Mubarak.
had amazing fish
What do
curry
you say
yesterday,
now? Mubarak.
Eid.
which I'm gonna show you now in the video.
Happy
Happy
Eid.
Mubarak.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Mubarak is happy. Yeah.
Oh my god.
So we eat.
On the bed. Big respect, my brother. Yeah, that's. I know. I do need to give this a go, though. Would be a good idea. Good health benefits for fasting, you know, for a month. And you lose all your weight as well if you have a chubby stomach. Is it the best biryani you had?
Yeah, best biryani.
Okay. You like your shirt, guys? He has a fancy shirt on every day. It's nice.
Post.
What a holder.
biryani?
First impression on the food, yeah?
Post yes.
Right. I need to get a bit of everything in my hand, though. So we have the
Just take
Okay,
a piece
okay.
of
Indian
meat.
piece of meat.
I
Break
break
some
interview.
Papa.
Break some pepper,
Yeah.
pepper,
And get some raita.
some rice. Okay, that's how you do
Oh,
it.
post
yeah.
വേണ്ടിട്ടാണ്.
That's enough, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you mix it up a bit more.
Yeah.
Okay. And now
IBS-ൽ electrical engineers-ൽ vacancy ആണ് അതിൽ
Demolish it.
കേട്ടോ. ഈ technical side ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ Java ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ വേണമെങ്കിൽ എടുക്കാം.
explosion of flavor.
Java കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ എനിക്ക് തന്നെ resume forward ചെയ്യാം.
Yeah, man. Very good. Amazing.
You got the sweet rice.
Like always.
You got the sweet rice.
Okay.
course it's good, man. It's made from you. It's made with love. Of course it's
Homemade,
good.
homemade.
It's always good. You won't get any better in town, my friend. Yeah, it's a good quality ice cream. Is it nice?
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm saying
The
you
face
from
impression
Germany.
shows it.
You like it?
I tried German ice creams and I can't say these are good ice creams.
What? You don't like this one?
No, I like the ice cream from the ice bars really, which is good. In the south side they have really so many ice cream bars.
I'm not comparing.
Yeah, your face impression didn't really show that you don't like it. Yeah?
didn't
I don't know, I don't like this kind of ice cream,
Okay.
honestly.
I don't care.
To be honest.
Any quality ice cream, yeah.
Of course, but like.
I eat my second plate of biryani. Round number 2. Always round 2, round 3, round 4.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe for future content.